But good morning, we're now on day 6 and finally got to the south coast. And you can see there's less snow, but we stopped here partly because of the clouds. If you look across there, and the colour is quite it's probably the best sunrise we've seen so far, so I'm going to have a look around, see what compositions we can get and try and get some pictures. So see you later. Right, we've come here to Eystrahorn, which is the mountain that you can see in front. I've taken some shots. You can see there's still a number of other participants clambering up from the beach. So and we're heading back to the van, and then we're going to Vestrahorn, which is, if you look over there, it's the last one on the peninsula sticking out. So that's where we're heading next. If there's any decent pictures from here, I shall put them up on the video. But yeah, we're having a reasonable day today. So heading off back to the van now. So we'll see you later. Right, we're here at Vestrahorn. What I'm trying to do now is a wide angle shot. As you can see, there's the range in front of us, and there's these sand dunes in the black sand. And I assume that the whiteness is just from the frost, etc. You can see in the shot here I have got somebody going up the dune there, but I think that fits in. We're here for sunset. You can see on the mountains over there the shadows starting to come down. So the shot you saw there on the back of the camera, that's ISO 100, 15th of a second, f11, and we're at just under 20 millimeters. So if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and we'll see how the light comes as the sun's going down. So I'll see you shortly. Well, good afternoon. We're now on day 7 of our Icelandic workshop. We've just come we've arrived at our hotel, although it's only about 2 o'clock. We've come past Diamond Beach, where we're going to go back for sunset. Now you can see the hotel. It is quite windy at the moment. There's quite severe forecasts for wind, so the drivers are just a little bit concerned about going back to Diamond Beach if it's too windy. So we'll see how we get on, but we're just going to go there's this waterfall just by the hotel here. Hopefully you can see it there. We're going to see if we can get any snaps of that. Just seemed a bit early to be sitting in the room, so I thought I'd come out and have a look. So we'll see how we get on. See you a bit later. Right, good afternoon. Well, we've come to Diamond Beach. The sun's quite bright, but I'm at the back. You can see all the ice on the beach here, so we'll have a good look and try and find a reasonable shot. The Glacier Lagoon, which we'll maybe go to a bit later, I'm just in awe of this. It's just phenomenal. Oh, right, anyway, we'll see you a bit later.